how to make a circuit in Tinkercad. So sign up with your Tinkercad account and on the left select circuit. Create a new circuit. Okay. Most of your components are below basic, but for some of them you will need to make a search. So for the first circuit we will add a battery. So you click on the battery and you drag it in the middle. And we want to add a light. So click in the search and type light. If you scroll down, you can see the light bulb. Insert the light bulb. Now you can add wires between terminal 1 and negative, and you can change it for black so it matches the minus side of the battery, and wire positive to terminal 2, and you change it to red so it matches the color of the positive side of the battery. To turn on the light, simply click on Start Simulation. Here we go. You have lighted your bulb, a light bulb. We can start simulation and we can play with the intensity of the light. If you click on the battery, and instead of having 1, you have 2, and you click again on Start Simulation, your light is brighter. Let's see if we add 3, and we start again, brighter. Okay. In some case, we want to lower the light, lower the intensity inside the circuit. So remove, I need to delete your wire and remove the search light, clear it and go back on your basic component, and we will add a resistor, 1 kilo ohm, and we will wire the positive to the resistor. It will be a red, and the top of the resistor to the terminal, red, and start simulation. You see the light is lighter, okay, because the resistor decrease the intensity inside the circuit. It's useful to avoid your bubble light to break. If you want to break the bubble light, you need to add at least three batteries with 3 boxes of at least 4 batteries in it. So that's for the light. There's another type of light that's called LED. So click on the bubble and delete, and we will select the LED and add it there. Okay, the anode should be linked to the positive side. Let's try first without any resistor. So the anode should be linked to the positive, and it should be red. It doesn't have to be one color, but we like to put red wires for positive side and black wires for negative side. It's just a convention. The wires are the same except the color. It's just the plastic outside the wire that protects the metal wire inside that has a different color, black. And let's see if we start simulation. Oh no, our LED broke. What does that say? The current through the LED is 322 milliamperes, while the maximum is 20 milliamperes. How can we change that? We have 2 options. We can put less battery. Let's see if it's enough. It's enough, and it didn't turn on the light too much, so that's one option. Or if you get 3 battery, what can we do? We can add a resistor that will lower the current inside the, that will lower the current, the value of the intensity of the current. Let me put it red. Let's try. Here we go. We have 3 batteries and we didn't break our LED. Something that we like to add is a switch, exactly like the switch on in the wall inside each room of your house. So let's remove the cables, this wire, not the cable, this wire, and slide down on the right, and then go grab a slide switch. Insert just a slide switch, and you can rotate it to have each pin next to the resistor and the wire. So this switch, the middle one, should be linked to the plus of the battery. Oops, red, let's put it red. And the 2 pins, terminal 1 and terminal 2, can go to 2 different LEDs, 2 different motor, etc., etc. So let's use the one on the top. And let's put it there and start simulation. Nothing happened. Oh no, yes, the switch is on and off if I get done. On and off. Okay. What is cool with that is that we have one terminal available, right? So let's add another LED. Where do I put it? Let me put it on this side. And I will use a green LED that time. And this green LED will be linked to the terminal 2. Don't forget that you need to link to the anode. And this one we go to the minus. Let's put it black for this one. And let's keep it red to say that's the current going in the LED. Green LED. Okay. Let's see what happened now. Start simulation. Red, green, red, green. So the current goes inside one and the other one, and one and the other one. And you can stop the simulation. Let's keep playing with this switch, but now what we will add, we will remove first the 2 black wires, and we will add other LEDs. It's called in series. I will add one yellow, and I will add one blue. Let me organize them a little bit. And oops, I link the blue there. I will make that a blue cable just so it's nice. And I will link this one to the negative. It's a black wire. And this one to the yellow LED. And this one goes to the negative. It's a black one. Okay, what do you think will happen now when we start and play with the switch? Let's try. Yellow and red. And if we click on the button, blue and green. Let's look at this. You see, you probably have some toys with some lights on them. That's the way they work. It's just like sometimes instead of a switch, they have a controller. If you want to play with the controller, we can explain you this the next time. So here we go. There's one fun tool that some of you want to try. Let's see. Let's remove the LEDs. And instead, we can use a motor. Okay, let's see if we can turn on this motor. This one needs to go to the plus, red, and this one needs to go to the minus, black. And if we start, the current is going inside the resistor, the switch on the top, and turn on the motor, and you can see the speed. That's revolution per minute. So it makes 500 revolution per minute. That's a lot. That's about 10 per second. And the current go there. Now if I click on the switch, the lights turn on and the motor turns off. Okay. There we go. And you can keep playing with other tools and fun things. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.